Hi friends, it's Raven, and today I want to show you how I went from this to this. It is a very classic holiday makeup look with a red lip and a black liner, and if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. So I already started with my foundation and contour, and I'm just going to add some blush. And I'm using this really pretty peachy color, and I'm just using that on the outside of my temples. I try to keep my blush more towards the outside of my face just to help elongate it and make it a little bit less round. And then from there I'm going to go in with a highlighter, and this is my absolute favorite highlighter. It's so bright and shiny and I love it. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just dust that right on the outsides of my cheekbone. Gotta get that glow. I love seeing all the glitter flying through the air. Yeah, it's bright and shiny. And then I like to add a little bit on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, just to help everything pop. I like to add a little bit to the top of my lip to make them look a little bit fuller. And then I also like to add a little bit underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going to use this Stone Cold Fox palette from ColourPop, and they have such beautiful neutral shades. So I'm going to start with just sort of like a real basic brown tan shade, just as like a base. And then I like to use a really fluffy brush just to blend that all in. Then I'm going to go with a slightly darker version of that same brown and dust it more towards the outside of my eyes. Then I'm going to go in with this really sparkly matte white shade. So it's like a matte white, but it has sparkle and shimmer to it. So it's kind of a mix of both, I guess. But you can see it goes on really matte, but in the right light it has a shimmer to it, and it's really pretty. Now, I know I'm not using a brush. I like to use my finger just because I feel like it helps the pigment stay a little bit better, and I have a little more control over where it goes. And then I'm going to go in with a liquid liner, and what I like to do is just dot it with my eyes fully relaxed. I like to dot it to where I want my wing to be, and then from there is when I kind of draw it in. Since I have such a hooded eye, sometimes it's hard to know exactly where to draw the line, so I feel like giving a good place to start when my eyes are relaxed and then filling it in from there helps a lot. And then I like to keep it really tight to the waterline and the lash line because, again, I have hooded eyes, so I want to be able to see. And then if you make a mistake, I just like to use a wet cotton swab to get at any mistakes that I have. And so I usually like to start at the outside and then work my way in, and then start at the inside and work my way out so that they are connected. I'm going to take a little bit more of that highlighter and dot it in my inner corners just to make my eyes pop even more. Makes a big difference. And then I'm going to curl and use mascara. And then I heard a lot of people like on TikTok and stuff swear by this mascara, and honestly I don't really notice a difference. But I have really bad eyelashes where mine just stick straight. They never really work well with mascara. I haven't found one that works for me anyways, but yeah, so any mascara will do. You can certainly leave it alone after this step as well if you aren't big into falsies, but I mean, go big or go home, right? So I'm just going to use these super basic lashes and some regular lash adhesive. I like to put it directly on the strip, and then you'll notice that I like to dot it extra on the ends. So that's where I notice that lifting comes up the most, is in the inner corner and outer corner, so I like to add an extra little dot of glue to the ends to help them stay on better. And then once that gets tacky, I just use the little tweezers to apply the lashes. And I don't actually go all the way to the end of my lashes. Sometimes I lift it up a little bit higher on like the liner that I did. So it appears like it's on my lash line, but it's actually a little higher. So this will adjust your eye shape and make them look a little bit more open. And then I'm going to go in with a red lip liner just to give a basic shape to my lips and to help prevent bleeding from the lipstick. And I'm going to add Fenty's red liquid lipstick, and I absolutely love this shade. I feel like it's a very versatile shade that works on every skin tone, and I love it. And it goes on so creamy and smooth, and it completely dries down, but it doesn't get like cracky dry like other lipsticks do. And especially for the holiday season, this red lip is just chef's kiss, perfect. And then set it with setting spray, of course. And then now I need my outfit. So I did this sparkly collared shirt, and then I decided to add a wig as well, because why not? It's fun to dress up every once in a while. And yeah, this is the completed look. It's super classy and elegant and simple, and it's the perfect classic holiday makeup look. Perfect for a party or a date night, family dinner, or hanging out with friends. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so I know what kind of content you guys like to see. And if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to comment and subscribe. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye!